Kaso ayaw raw ng mga 5 lilipat. And the plot twist is, si Senadora Loren Legarda ang kinukumbinse para kunin kay Soto ang Senate presidency. Basically dangling over her the title of the first woman Senate President in the history of the Senate of the Philippines. Ayan ay according to Soto and Lacson themselves, which was promptly reported to them.
Actually, I'd rather not dwell into it already. Papag-usapan yung mga. Kasi they were merely talks. Ay, sinabi niya hindi siya interesado. Sambung majority namin na very solid. As a matter of fact, mga dalawa sa mga hindi namin kasama dati, baka mapasama pa yan. It's always the majority who decides. Ano naman ang leadership sa Senate, it's always ongoing. Ganun lagi yan.
Soto believes the minority tried to convince Senator Loren Legarda to switch sides, but she reportedly rejected the offer. The senator maintains he is open to working with anybody in whatever capacity.
I think she did. I think she did. Ako ba, Senator? You know, I can do any work in the Senate. I can be majority leader, minority leader, Senate President, or even a regular senator.
After a really long session break ng Senado, plus Kiko Pangilinan shared a photo sa kanyang Facebook page showing Legarda and Soto along with most of the majority with the caption #PowerSharing. Makita rin natin na wala ang dalawang magkapatid na Villar, Pia Cayetano, dalawang Tulfo, at Lito Lapid. Kasi alam mo naman si Lito Lapid kung saan lang meron talagang majority, doon siya pupunta. So kapag naka-12 na sila, malamang makukuha nila si Lapid or probably, I don't really know to be honest. I don't know how he picks, what he picks. But you know, alam na natin kung sino yung mga posibleng bumaliktad. Tapos wala pa nga si Bato de la Rosa, so hirap talaga sila. Actually, nag-aantay din ako noon. Tapos nagulat na lang ako, biglang may nagsasalita eh. Nakalimutan kong nakabukas nga pala yung live stream ng Senate of the Philippines YouTube channel sa isang tab. May ginagawa ako. Sabi ko, sino yung nagsasalita na yun? Who the frick is talking? Kung saan, katulad ko, inaantay ng lahat kung si Legarda na nga ba ang papalit bilang unang Madam Senate President. Pero most of the majority did a little bit of trolling. Kasi siya ang pinag-preside sa pagsasara ng session